And welcome to the second to last day here, Red Delta Project Advent Calendar. Congratulations to all those who followed along all the way up to this point and gotten all the micro workouts in. Today we are looking at the extension chain, one of my all-time favorite extension exercises, part of the Grind Style Calisthenics repertoire. So we're going to need something with foot loops. And again, if you're doing this with gymnastics rings, you just remove the ring and use the actual strap as a big foot loop. And we put our feet in like so. And instead of laying on the ground, our arms are down behind us, making sure the shoulder blades are fully packed and we are even driving our hips up off the ground. From here, you're going to be using your glutes and hamstrings primarily, hopefully not your lower back, as you extend yourself up into a full hip bridge reverse plank. Come back, good stretch, and up. And then back and up, getting as much height as possible. You can see I don't get nearly as much height as I should be. That's, well, just frankly because I still have trouble engaging those muscles. They're not as strong as they should be. But some of you out there, I know it won't be a problem. And push and back. You can also make this a little bit easier by coming back, so that way the straps will pull you forward a little bit and make it a little bit more manageable. And you just have a nice smooth motion, trying to maximize the range in your hips and getting a pause at the top and the bottom. Real simple today. 3 sets of 20 total repetitions. I say total because if you need to break it up, go right ahead. So it's 60 total repetitions. Best of luck in today's workout. More workouts, tips in the description. Let me know if you have questions in the comment section. Be fit and live free.